I'm trying to walk very close to the bird. That's what I told you before. We can make jogging. Some people in the front, they are jogging, huh? Ay, may gulay. It's difficult to say the English, but I will try. So what I would try to speak in Ilonggo, my original dialect. I will try to go very close to the bird. Makadto ko sa pispis bla, tiradoron ko. No, tirador is not nice. It look like hello. So the bird is good. It's very friendly. We try to go close by the bird. So that's nice. If I start sleeping, but I know for sure they don't want to sleep first. Bird, I love you. Don't fly, because I want you to stay with me. I'm a friend. I'm happy to see a bird. I hope you don't fly. Bird, can you please stay? Please stay. Stay with me. That's very close. You only for 2-3 meters from my position. Kung sa Ilonggo pa, pag may pispis, ginadakop na mo na ginaalagaan. It's very close, right? Bird, I love you, bird. I like it. I like you. Bird, don't go far. Don't fly, because I want to see you more time. Don't fly, okay? Stay with it. Stay with this. I like it. Could you please stay with me for 5 minutes, bird? It's okay? Don't move. I like you. I'm happy to see bird. I want to finish my video for you, because I need to going back in my ship, and because I'm not allowed to bring the cell phone on deck, because I am working in the tanker ship, so that's why it's not allowed. So before I came up to the ship, I need to switch off my mobile phone. But in cargo ship, it's no problem, because it's not explosive. But in a tanker ship, you need to switch off your phone, and you can use only inside of the cabin or the stair house on the wheelhouse around. So that's why, as you can see, I don't do video in the middle of the deck, because it's not allowed. Only you can see in the front, really front, and at the back, the wheelhouse. So bird, please stay, because I like you. Ladies and gentlemen, I will introduce to you. This is the bird of Amsterdam, Netherlands. Anyway, I'm Norberto Lazarte Jr. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please do like and subscribe. I saw a bird in the ship, so I hope she can stay with me. She's standing, and I hope she cannot fly for any minute, because I like it to see you. Your mouth is very sharp, and you are lovely position. Don't go, don't walk, okay? Stay with me, bird. Stay with me. I am your friend. You are going to give distance to me, but I like you. Anyways, she is standing one leg of my position. One leg position. Can I go for you very close? Birds, can I go with you? Look at me. I am happy to see you, bird. Even if I'm talking, I'm so happy. See? It's a very, very nice bird. As you can see, that is the bird. Okay? I will turn the camera. As you can see, the bird is in my side, in my back. That is around the 2 meters or 1 meters at my side. Look at them. Yeah? See? That is the bird. Bird, I like it. That is the bird. The bird, right? But my hand is moving. Don't go far, bird. It's flying. She is flying now. Okay, let's go there. Okay. So let's go. I'll take a stairs, and then above the stairs, I can show you the best view because we are in the higher. But of course, only in the stairs. After that, I'll stop it because it's not allowed in the deck. In the stairs is okay. Here we go. Here we are. We are in the stairs. We are really above. Oh, it's blurred because. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is now really the beauty of Amsterdam, Netherlands. So far, ipaikot ko ng konti. I will turn the camera a little bit. That is at the back of that building. That is Amsterdam Central Station again, and our ship under of that building, the very nice building. Okay. So I will stay, wait, almost wait. I can say the bird is there. I'm going down because I have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left, 3 minutes left before finish my video for 1 hour. Just little bit, take a rest. So the position of the bird is here, right? Like right here. So right here, if you see, come on, for 1 hour, 2 minutes more, 2 minutes more, 2 minutes. Okay, I'll put here my video. Okay. Almost dark na. Night na. Yes. 2 minutes to go. Okay guys, thank you for watching. God bless. Keep safe everybody and God bless. I hope na mag-subscribe po kayo. And mag-share po ng video ko. Dahil lahat po ng video is may learnings para magka-idea kayo about sa Netherlands. Thank you guys. Bye.